How to fix bloating overnight? Feeling over bloated? Don't worry, here are some quick, effective ways to reduce bloating and wake up feeling lighter by morning. Tip number one is drink peppermint tea before bed. Peppermint tea relaxes your digestive system and reduces gas buildup, easing bloating overnight. Sip on a warm cup 30 minutes before bed to calm your stomach and promote better digestion. Tip to avoid late night snacks. Eating too close to bedtime can disrupt digestion and cause bloating. Try to have your last meal or snack at least 2 to 3 hours before you sleep to give your body time to process the food. Tip number 3 is add a dash of apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water and drink it before bedtime. Apple cider vinegar helps balance stomach acid and promotes healthy digestion, reducing bloating by the time you wake up. Tip number 4 is sleep on your left side. Sleep on your left side helps gravity support digestion by positioning your stomach naturally. This prevents gas and bloating, ensuring you wake up feeling more comfortable. Tip number 5, try the legs up the wall pose. Lie on your back and raise your legs against a wall for 5 to 10 minutes. This yoga pose improves blood flow, reduces water retention, and encourages gas release. Follow these tips tonight, and you will be amazed how much lighter and more comfortable you will feel in the morning. Comment bloating if you are trying these tips tonight and share this video with a friend who needs relief. Don't forget to follow for more quick wellness hacks to keep your gut healthy and happy. Here is to waking up bloating free.